your friend Rani Subramanian. I hope all are safe and doing great. Friends, today also I'm at the Kesaria shop. Today my outfit is beautiful Rani color with work, designer, with the mirror work, with the embroidering work and the beautiful digital printed dupatta. How was my outfit? Please let me know in the comment box. And today I'm going to show you the unique outfit collection from the lehenga segment, which is only how the way I'm wearing three-piece concept, the way lehengas, traditional based lehengas, I'm going to show you. Keep watching this video. If you're a boutique reseller for the lehengas, party wear crop tops, designer lehengas, bridal lehengas, all these collections you can purchase from Kesaria Manufacturers. If I talk about designer side wear party wear lehengas, it starts from around 450 rupees. If you're a boutique reseller for the lehengas, party wear, side wear, designer lehengas, crop top collections, 3-piece, 2-piece, you can also purchase the unique latest varieties. Today I'm going to show you, as I said, the traditional based lehengas. If I talk about the traditional or the designer fancy mirror work, the embroidering unique designs work, which I can say approximately 500 to 600. And today, especially the traditional based lehengas, which I'm going to show high range collections. What is high range collections? If I talk about my the manufacturing price high range, which starts from 1000 rupees to 1800, 1600. But is this high range? How can you say high range? Yes, of course, it's a high range. For you, for the resellers, it is a high range. How, ma'am? How? Please tell me. When you are in Singapore, Malaysia, when your clothing business, you are doing a boutique of the clothing store, this is the way. When you are boutique reselling, you are planning, these collections are selling up to lakhs, thousands. On the rental basis, it's going on for the 60, 70, 30, 20. And in India, most of the people not buy for own purchase, they buy on the rental basis for 1 day, 2 day basis. So today, I'm going to take you to the collections of the traditional base, the crop tops we do have, functional, party wear, all the casual wears. If I talk about this side, we have a bridal lehengas. And if I talk about this side, we do have a designer, side away stylish, party wear, and these all lehengas. Multiple n number of lehengas are there. Today, I'll show you only Indian culture, traditional based lehengas, which is most important for the resellers. Keep watching this video. Subscribe the channel. Easily you can do online shopping 24/7. Online purchase for Pan India worldwide. We provide you sea services, cargo services, and you can purchase on the Indian currency amount of 1 lakh rupees minimum. And quickly you can start your boutique and either fabrics or ready-made women apparel, saris, lehengas, Indo-Western collections, everything you can purchase at Kesaria. Let's quickly see the samples. The first pattern, very pretty color, which is a tomato dark wedding base, the color which is a dotted printed of yellow with green color with the designer Ari work, and the mini can is given here, the silk basis, which is a traditional lehenga I am showing you. In this you have a beautiful concept of this lehenga. You can do the semi-stitch. You do have a dupatta as well as the inner, the semi-stitch ready-made blouse. Okay, this is the pattern of the lehenga. This is the same pattern. Okay, and I'll show you the one more pattern. The grey color, which is only silver finishing and the silver thread work. You can take a screenshot and you can contact. This is a one more pattern. You have a layers also. Mini can you can find out here. Every pattern you will find out the semi-stitched dupatta with the blouse also. Okay, this is one more pattern. If I talk about the digital printed pattu lehengas in South, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra is very familiar on the digital printed base. Hi, I have a beautiful packet. The lehenga, when we see the pocket, see camera focus on the pocket. I have seen the pockets in pants, chudidas, kurtas, but in lehenga, will you accept the pockets? Yes, yaar. The designer lehengas, new concepts are the sharp pockets also given here. And in this you have a beautiful purple color combination with the running blouse with the designer copper pattu of the dupattas. And one more thing, the lemon yellow color, which is a beautiful chocolate color thread work and the mirror work. If you want only mirror work and the layers, which is a lightweight synthetic and glossy silk, I can say. This is a can-can. Half of the can-can you can see here. This is one of the lemon yellow color. This is one of the pattern. If we talk about the beautiful traditional Indian culture base, again South, Tamil Nadu, Andhra, Karnataka, Telangana, the beautiful Rani color with the silver butta of the silk sari concept. You can see the silk sari concept in the lehengas also. So beautiful layers, 1, 2, 3, 4 on the butta work, and the butta work with the Banarasi concept of the bottom. This is also one of the pretty color with the green color dupatta with the highlighted border, and this is have a multiple can also given here. So the color combination also is a traditional color combination. Next pattern, evergreen Rajasthani pattern of Jaipuri pattern, which is a Bandhani pattern. The Bandhani pattern of dark tomato, the maroon red shade, which is a handwork pattern over here. The multiple broad curving design, beautiful print come handwork design also. This is also very pretty. All these lehengas you are getting semi-stitched, the ready-made blouse with the dupatta you can see here. This is one of the pattern. The next pattern, which is light cream color, and the border which has been highlighted with the traditional leaf printed, the peacock design, which is a wiring work, and the jerry work and the chamki work, the zigzag pattern which is given, and the crush fabric. Okay, this is also beautiful lemon shade with the creamish color, the beautiful traditional border. I have a pattu lehengas over here, designer ari work, handwork, mirror work, copper butta, golden butta, velvet base, synthetic base, georgette based, chamki work, multiple colors. All these varieties of 1 piece, 2 piece, 3 piece concepts of ready-made women apparels you can also purchase. Friends, as I said, the resellers on the rental basis, these collections are selling at a huge margin with a profitable business. No need to worry about the quality or the quantity. Please visit Kesaria Manufactures, which is located at Kamila Darwaja Signal Point, Millennium Textile Building 1, first floor, morning 9:30 to 8:30. You can invest around for the lehenga 50,000 or 1 lakh or minimum 2 to 3 lakhs if you're planning to invest and to have a small boutique shop in India based on a walkthrough and the huge market area or the walkable distance where the very familiar places on your location. You can also have a demanded collections, and based on your location wise you can buy the taste varieties of lehengas or the crop tops or the side wear party for many more collections. So hope you enjoyed this traditional based lehengas today what I've showed you. So go ahead for the online shopping, approximately 1000 to 1600, 800 I've showed you. So to know the actual prices with the lehengas, you can call our online team, you can do video calling live purchase, numbers are on the screen, websites, social media pages you can follow, and let me know what kind of collections you are looking for. Keep supporting me. There's a bell icon, just click it and share the link with your friends, relatives, everyone. Next video will come up with new more collections. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.